In this tutorial, I'll guide you through fixing the out of memory error in Adobe After Effects. There are several methods we can try, so let's get started. First, make sure you have After Effects open. The first method is to adjust the rendering settings. Go to the top menu and click on File, then select Project Settings. This will open a menu. Look for the section labelled Video Rendering and Effects. By default, this is usually set to Mercury software only. Click on the drop-down menu and change this to Mercury GPU acceleration. Once you've done that, click OK to save the changes. Next, we can try optimizing some preferences. Go back to the top menu, click on Edit and select Preferences, then choose General. When the Settings menu opens, click on the Previews option on the left side. You'll see a section called Fast Preview with a drop-down labelled Adaptive Resolution Limit. Change this setting to 1/8. Now, go to the Media and Disk Cache section, also on the left side of the menu. Here, you'll find options to clear disk cache and clean database and cache. Click both of these to free up memory. Also, ensure that Enable Disk Cache is checked. Next, click on Video Preview in the same menu. If the Enable Mercury Transmit box is checked, go ahead and uncheck it. Lastly, and most importantly, click on the Memory and Performance option. Here, you can adjust how much RAM is reserved for other programs running in the background. If you have extra RAM available and you're not using other applications, you can lower the reserved amount. This will allow After Effects to use more memory. After adjusting all these settings, close the Preferences menu and your memory issues should be resolved. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.